Good day everyone, Pamela Curtis outside of the studio in the gardens. You can see that the green is definitely coming out now. It is showing vibrantly, coming up from underneath all of the dry grass. I'm checking in with you all because today is a rainy day and it certainly is a better day to film a video. You can hear the crows in the background. They're out here every day, which is really fun. So I will be doing my normal video on Saturday, but I thought I would give you an update today because things have changed and you will be able to see it much better now in this type of environment. So I'm going to touch base with you all on some of the things that I do in the early spring. The first things that I do early spring. So the first thing that I do is I bring out the boxwood boxes, and I have 4 of them. And I'm going to be filling you in on all of the information on these wonderful boxes. The second thing I do, and I think you can see this, I'm not sure, but the maple tree drops a lot of branches and limbs, so I'm going to be cleaning up that first. The third thing on my list is to clean up any leaves that have been left over from the fall, which includes clearing up the pathways. The fifth thing will be cleaning up around the recycle bin, which is up in that area there, because I usually will put pots that I've used in the past, and they're usually the plastic garden pots. So that is the complete list of the first things that I do in the early spring. Now, of course, there's much more to do, and I usually do not take the leaves out of the beds until everything is really dried out, and I'm going to talk to you more about that. So, I will see you folks tomorrow, Saturday, my usual time, and I will go over some more things that I plan to do. So, I hope everything is going fine for you all, and I would love to hear from you all to let me know what's going on in your gardens.